Hello, this is Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to work on some text effects in Word. And using the text effects button, you will see it right there, but I do want to operate it through Word Art, so let's work on that a little bit. Let me select a different font, perhaps, than just Times New Roman. Let me go down to Tempest Sans, and let me change the font size a little bit, and I'll just put my website name in there, techiewarrior.com, and let's work on that text. If I want to work it through Word Art, let me go into Insert and go over to Word Art, and I'm just going to highlight that and then click on Word Art. And I can kind of observe the text as it evolves through the different choices here, and click on one of those. Okay. And I like that. That looks pretty good. But I have more options with text effects through Word Art. And we can go into in the Word Art styles here mode. We can look at text effects and see shadow. And you can kind of walk your mouse through the different choices and see how your text changes on your actual example. Okay, that was some shadow effects. If we flip down to reflection, you've got some reflection ones there, which look pretty good. And just observe it as you go, how much reflection you really want, or back up to not as much. Okay, and glow obviously is pretty self-explanatory. You can just see how much glow you want to add to it as you work your way down. Also check it out in different colors. That's represented there, and of course you have more glow colors as well. Down here, more glow colors and glow options as well. 3D rotation, that just lets you see how it looks turned in different ways. Maybe you have a need for that. And can you pick obviously different ones along the way? Sure. And add them all together, absolutely, but among the different categories. Now, transform is one that I have used before for different projects, whether it be PowerPoint or Word. Kind of works the same way, obviously, but transform actually takes your letters and might be beneficial for, if you're doing some kind of letterhead or coming up with a company logo. You can use it for that as well. Some of these make sense to use and some of them do not make sense to use. So you can kind of see the ones that obviously would not make sense, but then go down to the ones that, have other options available. I think I'll go down to, I'm in the warp mode here. Let's see. I was looking for can up or deflate. I've used those before. And you can even go further, a little bit further with it. Once you select one of them, then you got the purple diamond here. You can kind of use those lines to push it up or down toward the middle in this case. So that gives you some other options along the way. Real exaggerated, it would look more like that. Not so exaggerated, somewhere in the middle. Okay, so you can play around with that and see what you like best. And like I said, that works pretty much the same way in PowerPoint if you want to modify it. So that's all within text effects, which is just a glowing A that you see in Word Art styles. Thank you for your time.